Good morning, class 10 Springfielders. In the previous session, we have completed Indo-Gangetic Plain, Peninsula Plateau, difference between Malwa Plateau and Deccan Plateau, difference between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Today we are going to cover the topic the Thar Desert, which is also called the Great Indian Desert, the coastal plains and the islands. Now coming to the first one, that is the Thar Desert, which is also called the Great Indian Desert. This Thar Desert, as you can see in the map, it is located towards the northwest. The Thar Desert is located on the leeward side of Aravalli mountains and receives very little rainfall, ranging from 100 to 150 millimeters per year. It occupies much of western Rajasthan. It has an arid climate. Arid climate means scarcity of water and dry, with low vegetation cover. Luni is the only river in this area. Indira Gandhi Canal is the longest canal in the country, 650 kilometers, waters parts of Thar Desert. The coastal plain. As you can see in the India map, the location of coastal plain is in the extreme south of India on the either side of the southern part, that is west and east, and both the coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. The southern part of Peninsula Plateau is bordered by narrow coastal strip along the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. Lake like Chilka in Odisha and Kolleru and Pulicat Lake in Andhra Pradesh. Now we come to the difference between western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain, eastern coastal plain. First point of western coastal plain. It runs from Rann of Kutch to Kanyakumari. First point of eastern coastal plain. It runs from West Bengal to Kanyakumari. Second point. It is located between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Second point. Eastern coastal plain. It is located between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. Third point, Western coastal plain. It is a narrow and uneven. Third point, Eastern coastal plain. It is bulged in middle. That means it is wider and flat in the middle. Fourth point, Western coastal plain. There are lagoons and backwaters. Eastern coastal plain, it is well watered delta. Fifth point, western coastal plain like river Tapati and Narmada flow. Eastern coastal plain like river Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow. Sixth point, western coastal plain. It is divided into three parts: Konkan, Maharashtra, Canara, Karnataka, Malabar, Kerala. Eastern coastal plain. It is divided into three parts. First one, Utkal, Odisha. Second point, Sidkar, Andhra Pradesh. Third point, Coromandel Plain, Tamil Nadu. Now, after the coastal plains, let us see about the islands. See the India map. On the either side of it lies the islands. There are two islands. In the eastern side, you can see the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal, and on the western side, Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Now, coming to the explanation, there are two groups of islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands stretched in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Let us understand the concept of these islands with the difference between Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they are stretched in Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Islands, they are in the Arabian Sea. Second point, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they are volcanic origin. Lakshadweep Islands, they are coral origin. Third point, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they are mountains. Lakshadweep Islands, they are great variety of flora and fauna. Fourth point, Andaman and Nicobar Island, its capital is Port Blair. Lakshadweep Island, its capital is Kavadra. Let us recapitulation. Learn these answers. They are very important as per your board, so better you learn these answers. Anyhow, you will be writing these answers in your classwork. First question, difference between Western Coastal Plain and Eastern Coastal Plain. Second question, difference between Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Meet you in the next session with a new chapter. Until then, thank you for your participation. Have a nice day. Mrs. Sohail Sultana, your Social Studies Paper 1 teacher.